So, are good traders born with it or are they taught? Are good traders born with it or are they taught? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video just to motivate me to continue sharing this knowledge with you for free. I don't sell these things. Everything that you get from me is for free. Remember that if anybody tries to sell you anything on this channel, it's not me. Don't sell things. If you're looking to download stuff all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Uh, Subscribe so that you do not miss future videos. Okay, let's get into today's video. It's a discussion that I was having with one of my friends about whether good traders are born with it or they are taught. I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think people are born with the skill for trading, or do you think that it's taught so anybody can be taught? My answer to this is maybe two ways, because I believe there are some people who have a natural instinct for trading. For example, we have people that are naturally gifted in mathematics. Whatever you do, they just have a natural grasp of mathematics, physics, science, music, art, and things like that. Of course, if you want to learn math or science, you can. And for some of us, you have to work hard at it in order to understand the math. But you know, there are people when you're at school who just like naturally, they did not even need to make an effort to grasp whatever the concepts of maths or music or literature or stuff like that. So you kind of feel that there are some people who are just born with uh, I don't know if I can say it if I can say that with a trading mindset, because after all, trading is a business, and I also tend want to believe that nobody is naturally born a business person, but you are born with, I think, certain qualities that render well for business. Uh, Same to you, you are born with certain qualities that place you as a better person to learn trading or to grasp the concepts or the skill that is needed to be a good trader. For example, some people just naturally understand math, like I gave in the previous example. Some people just understand math and they're able to work out patterns, they are able to work out formulas and stuff like that, and they quickly grasp trading, where it takes other traders 5 6 years of hard work to actually grasp the concepts. The person within 6 months of being introduced to forex trading, uh, they catch it and they run with it, they are already profitable, where other traders, same town, same country, same language, same broker, same account size, everything, they are struggling. Probably they'll need 3 4 years to actually grasp everything. So, in that way, I think good traders do have, there are traders who are born with certain qualities that make them better at understanding these concepts that we use in trading. Would I say good traders are born? Then maybe in that way you might want to say they are born with it. Um, but I also believe that good traders can are taught, because Although you have these qualities of being able to quickly grasp these concepts, although you are able to quickly grasp the concept of entrepreneurship, business, and things like that, you still need somebody to mentor you in business, somebody to show you the ropes, somebody to teach you how to do business. Although you probably grasp it faster because of how you were born, you probably are quickly able to understand how to do things in business because of how you were born, where some people will actually struggle for years. So, are good traders born or are they taught? I think it's a bit of both. It it makes me want to say not everybody can be a trader. Unfortunately, not every person on earth can be a trader. I know this is harsh, or probably it might not be what many people would want to hear in this day and age, where everyone wants to make money online, and it's hard to be told that this is not for you. But I do believe that there are people who are not for trading because they do not have the qualities. They are not born with those qualities that would make them uh, probably good traders. They will probably just be either average traders, or they'll consistently be losing money in the markets. Just as I think that not every person is born to be a doctor, to be a pilot, to be an athlete, to be all those things, I think it's something with trading. If not every person is born to be a soccer player, if not every person is born to be a soccer player, then certainly not every person is born to be a trader. I don't know if you agree with me, but leave a comment in the comment section below. I would like to hear what you think. But yeah, I do believe that certain people are born with certain inborn instincts for making money. There are people who are born inside of them, the qualities, their mind, they sort of are wired towards making money, and they're just you. They're taught trading. Probably they just need a week, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. They're done, and you see this guy making millions left, right, and center, where everyone else is struggling. So good traders, I think, have a sort of inborn qualities, and they do need to be taught. Just like a person who is born with qualities for being an artist, but they still need to go to art school. But it doesn't mean that people cannot be taught trading, cannot be taught trading. I think some people can be taught trading, although they need to put in extra effort and work extra hard than those people that have got a natural gift or natural instincts for it. Same deal, like I said, you find that when you're in class, there are people who are just like math, they will just like kill it. And they did not even put much effort in it. They'll just like kill mathematics. Whereas you were struggling, textbook after textbook, homework after homework, tutorials, all of these things, and you still could not get it. I think it's same deal with forex trading. It's same deal with playing soccer, playing music, mathematics, science, and things like that. I don't know what you think. Do you think good traders are born with it, or do you think anybody can be taught to become a good trader? I'd like to hear your thoughts. Leave them in the comment section below. Until next time.